Do you feel like your videos aren't connecting with your audience? Are people clicking off from your videos immediately after watching the first few seconds? Well, today in this video, we're breaking down why your videos may be boring and most importantly, how to fix them. So please keep on watching. Before we begin, I'd like to make a quick introduction to my channel. This channel is all about CapCut tutorials and YouTube beginner education. Everything you need to know about YouTube, I make the videos here. So please, if you want to see more content from this channel, please like and subscribe. So let's dive in. So guys, the number one reason why your videos might be boring, or the reason why people are usually clicking off from your videos early, is because you have a weak hook. Your hook is the first maybe 20 seconds or 30 seconds of your videos. When your hook is weak, people will literally click off from your videos. So you need to make sure that your hook is interesting. You need to make sure that your hook is well optimized and well written. You need to captivate them. You need to keep your viewers interested. So I've actually made a video on how to craft a powerful hook for your videos. So please check out that video card showing on your screen, and when you're done with this video, you can click on it and watch. The second reason why your videos may be boring is because your videos lack structure. You see, videos that have no directions can be very boring to watch. Like, it can be really boring to watch. So make sure that your videos have a beginning, a middle, and an end. You can write a script. A script will help you to stay on track. It will help you to memorize things that you will say for the video, and to help you not to go astray, as in you would have a direction. And these kind of videos tend to make people interested, like they will watch you from the beginning to the end. So try to craft a script. Make sure you check my video on how to craft a powerful hook, because I included how to write a powerful script also. So the next reason why your videos might be boring is when your audio quality is poor, or when your visual quality is also poor. So as a YouTuber, if you want to start up a channel and you don't have a microphone, I don't know what you're doing. You have to try to get a mic. Even there are cheap mics out there that you can get. It will help to elevate your audio quality. You see, audio is really important. It's more important than the video, like the camera stuff. So just make sure that you invest on a good mic. Then we can talk about your visual quality later on. When your audio quality is poor, people will click off immediately. They don't want to hear fuzzy sound. They don't want to hear background noises and all that. They want to hear a clear, crisp sound. So just invest on a good mic and record your videos. Then you're going to notice a good change. Let's talk about the engagement killers. What kills your engagements when people are watching your videos? What makes them to drop? Like, what makes them to stop watching you? The first is your monotone delivery, the way you deliver your speech when you're recording. So when you want to record your videos, you have to talk to your camera like you're talking to your friend. You have to speak passionately. People will lose interest when you use a flat tone, when you're bored, or when you don't like, when you're not even feeling what you're saying. Act as if you're talking to your friend. That way, people will watch you, people will like to connect with you, and people will keep on, like, they will be engaged, in short. So just try it and then let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. The second thing that kills your engagement is when you overload your viewers with so much information. When you bombard them with so many information at the same time, your viewers will lose interest. What you need to do is to try to trim your videos and try to make them as short as possible, and try to go straight to the point. You have to make those complex topics, like, make them to be smaller, so that they can be able to digest it easily. When you bombard them with so many information at the same time, your viewers will be confused. That is why you need to use chapters, so that they will know what each section is for. They will know what each timestamp is for. So just try it out and let me know what you think. Another thing that kills your engagement is long intros. There are some YouTube videos that I will click on and they will introduce the topic. After they're done introducing the topic, the next thing I'm going to see is a short video of their channel, or maybe a short video of their life. They'll be adding so many pictures, so many like unnecessary random pictures, just to introduce their channel. All these things are not important. Some people will talk about their channel for like 2 minutes or a minute. Nobody wants to hear that. Nobody wants to know your life story. Just jump straight to the content, go straight to the point. Nobody has time for that, honestly. When somebody clicks on your video, what they're looking for is value. They do not click on your videos to know about you. They clicked to get an information, and you're denying them that. When you do that, they will click off, and you know what that means. Your retention will go down. So just go straight to the point. Go straight to the point, and always make sure that your hook is powerful. Your first 30 seconds is very important. Make sure that that hook is powerful and people will be engaged. Try it. Before we continue, please support this channel by liking and subscribing. You've watched me to this point, that means you're enjoying the video. Please support by liking and subscribing. Let's continue. So, my dear beautiful viewers, how do you keep your viewers engaged? How do you keep them watching your videos? The first thing I would say is to engage them. Ask them questions. Maybe you can ask questions like, what do you think? What are your thoughts concerning this? I usually do it in my videos. So when you do it, you're prompting the viewer to say, oh, okay, this creator wants to know what I think about this, and they will comment on your videos. It is really, really important that you engage them, you ask questions, or you just go to the comment section and ask a question there, and people will reply you. It will make the engagement to be increased, and more people will come and watch that video. The second way you can engage your viewers, or the second way you can keep them watching, is by using b-roll, using animations and graphics, stock images and all that. I'm not saying it's important. There are some YouTubers I know that don't add stock images and stock videos and b-rolls to their videos, yet they have thousands and millions of views. But some people actually just want to add it. So just do whatever you want. You can add it, you cannot add it, but the most important thing is to make sure that you engage them by asking questions so that they will comment. That is the most important thing. The second way to fix your videos and keep viewers watching is by shortening your videos. So I've actually asked you guys to always check your YouTube analytics after you're done uploading your videos. Maybe after you've gotten some views, just check to know how audience received that video. So when you notice a drop in your audience retention and all that, try to shorten the length of your videos. Try to trim it down. There is nothing wrong with a 6-minute video or a 5-minute video, even a 3-minute video. There is nothing wrong with it. Just shorten your videos and people will watch your videos. They would like watch it from the beginning to the end. But when your videos are very long and boring, people will just click off immediately at the beginning. And you know what that means? YouTube will not recommend that video again. So when you shorten your videos, people can watch it from the beginning to the end. It will help to boost your audience engagement. To fix your audience engagement problem, you can use storytelling techniques. It works like magic, honestly. There are some times that I'll be scrolling on maybe Instagram and I'll come across a cooking video. I might not be interested in that food that they are preparing, but because of the story they're telling in the background, I will stick around and watch the video just because of that story. So there is nothing wrong with including stories, even if it's in your tutorials, your CapCut tutorials, or whatever tutorials you're giving to your audience. Just include some stories, tell stories, and people will watch that video from the beginning to the end just to know what happened at the end of the story. The story could be fake, it could be real, it could be, I don't know, fabricated, whatever. Just include stories when creating your video. Boring videos don't mean you're a bad creator. It doesn't mean that you're a bad creator. It's a skill issue, and skills can be improved. Just focus on creating engaging content and concise videos, and like let your videos be visually appealing, and people will stick around longer. When you do all these things, just check your retention rates. You will see that it will go up. So just do it and let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. If you have not liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe. And also, I would like to hear your thoughts about this video. What do you think about this video? Just let me know in the comment section and I'll be there to answer each and every one of you. Thank you so much.